How to hide or see hidden mentions in Instagram stories. So, hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be talking about if we can see hidden mentions in Instagram stories or not. So, first thing, just let me just show you an example. In this case, I have a video or any reels or like photos of this person, and I can directly see who the person is that shared the story, but I can't directly see the all the mentioned story or hidden stories, hidden accounts, hidden mentions inside of this story. So there is no any direct option rather than this like this, as you can see. So there might be third party applications which might let you enable the Instagram. So there might be ways using third party applications, but there is no direct way you can view the hidden mentions in Instagram stories directly from the Instagram. So I hope this video was informational. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.